Item management. Proper item management in Exigo is critical for accurate processing and reporting throughout the system, including commissions. This training video is going to focus on the following. Number 1, what is an item? 2, how items connect to other components in Exigo. 3rd, how to create new items. Please note that this is level 1 training and will cover only the basics for item management. Items in Exigo are the core building blocks of all other processes. Items in Exigo are commonly defined as products. These items may be standalone products or may be a grouping of products to be sold together. Items may be physical or virtual. Physical items are shipped from warehouses to the end customer. Virtual items are not shipped from warehouses. Virtual items may include items purchased at an event, items that are downloadable, items that give the distributors access to their website and mobile app, etc. Availability, pricing, taxation, and volumes are defined at the item level, and each of these terms are defined in detail in the corresponding training document. So let's discuss how items connect to other components in Exigo. For the purposes of this training video, we will focus on 2 components in Exigo, the order calculation engine and the commission engine. For further information about these 2 components, see the corresponding training document. How to create new items. First, navigate to Accounting, then Items, and then click the Add Item button. The following screen will open under the General tab. Step 1. General tab. Description. This is the name of the item and is a required field. Second, Item code. This is an alphanumeric field. Some clients refer to this as the SKU. This is a required field. Weight. This is the weight of the item, and this field is required of calculating shipping by weight. Notes. This field is commonly used to add notes about the items for CSRs and does not show on the web. Available in all countries and regions. This box must be checked if the item is available in all states, regions, and countries. If this box is not checked, the Availability tab must be filled out. Taxable in all countries and regions. This box must be checked if the item will be taxed in all states, regions, and countries as well. If this box is not checked, the Taxation tab must be filled out. Allow for a recurring order. This box also must be checked if the item can be included in a recurring order. An example, monthly automatic orders. Allowing partial payments. Checking this box will allow the sale of partial items. Example, 4 pieces of a 6-piece item. Clients sometimes use this to sell returned items. Print BOM on invoice. This will be reviewed in the Dynamic Kits training section. A virtual item. This box is commonly used to note that an item does not require shipping. Item type. Standard should always be used for items not included in a kit. Create a payment card. If this box is checked, the system will automatically create a payment card for the customer when this item is purchased. Step 2. Warehouse tab. Clicking on the Warehouse tab will open the following window. If the item is available for sale, then the warehouses from which the item is sold must be checked. Please note, if no warehouse is chosen, the item will not be shown as available for purchase. If virtual items are being sold, a virtual warehouse can be set up so that the items show as available for purchase. Please note that for future training modules, warehouses are required at the item, order, and customer levels. Managed by. Exigo does not manage inventory. This field can be set to not managed. Step 3. Pricing. Clicking on the Pricing tab opens the following window. The proper completion of this screen is critical. It is the client's responsibility to provide the values for these fields, such as currency. Each item may be sold in multiple currencies. The screen must be completed for each currency. The currency is chosen from the drop-down list. Price. The field controls the pricing of the item at multiple levels. Tax on price. This field controls the price used to calculate taxation. Note that this is not the tax amount in this field. Rather, the price system will use to calculate the tax. This price does not always match the value in the price field. Ship on price. If shipping is calculated by price, this field will control the shipping calculation. Quick note, this is not the shipping price in this field, rather the price the system will use to calculate shipping. This price does not always match the value in the price field. PCV. This field affects the volume calculations at the order level. This volume is commonly used for rank qualification. CCV, or commissionable volume. This field affects the volume calculations at the order level. This volume is commonly used for bonus qualification and commissions. Step 4. Availability. If available in all countries and regions was not checked on the general page, then this page must be completed. The system compares the customer's country and state with the country and state from this page. Countries. The appropriate country should be pulled from the drop-down list. This will display the states within that country. If Select All is chosen, this item will be available to all U.S. states. If Select All is not chosen, the states where the item is available for purchase should be chosen. Please note that this must be done for each country where the client operates. Step 5. Taxation. If taxable in all countries and regions was not checked on the general page, then this page must be completed. The system compares the customer's country and state with the country and state from this page. This page must be completed for each country where the client operates. This marks the completion of item setup for standard items. Don't forget to save changes on each page. For a more in-depth overview on this subject, check out the corresponding training document in the details section below.